In this video, we are going to show you how to install this 4K smart rear view mirror camera provided by Kouenom for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. We have an 11.8-inch IPS touchscreen. On the bottom, you have two mics and your power button. On top, you have your Type-C power port, your rear camera port, micro SD card slot, which supports up to 256 gigs. It does include a 64 gig micro SD card. And we have your aux cable port. On the rear, we have your reset button, your adjustable front camera, which records at 4K with a wide angle view of 170 degrees. Your rear camera, which records at 1080p with a wide angle view of 140 degrees. An 18-foot long rear camera cable, a 12-volt power adapter, 4.7-foot aux cable, your trim tool, a couple of elastic bands, a screwdriver, a few cable mounting clips, rear camera installation guide, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and mount our rear camera. I've decided to mount it inside the vehicle, right about here. Now that I have it mounted, we're gonna go ahead and connect the rear camera cable. This red wire here, you wanna connect to your reverse light. For this particular vehicle, we're gonna tap the red wire into the trailer harness, which has a reverse line. Take off the weather strip. This is the trailer harness for this 2019 Honda Pilot. This wire here is our reverse wire. So I connected the red wire and fed it underneath this panel here, out, opening up the weather strip with the wire coming out. Then we go ahead and connect your rear camera. Once we connect the rear camera, we go ahead and hide the wires, and then we're gonna tuck it in underneath the headliner. Just keep tucking in this wire underneath the headliner. Repeat that all the way to the front. Now we have the rear camera cable up front, hidden under the headliner. Then we take your two elastic bands. We're gonna go ahead and hook it on top of the mirror. Place it over your OEM mirror. Bands go around and hooks into place. Then we go ahead and connect your rear camera. Next, we want to connect your power supply. However, in this vehicle, I already have a power supply up here. If you're interested in a product like this, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the product link in the description below. Basically, you get a short USB-C cable. We're gonna go ahead and plug that in. Now, let's go ahead and start up the vehicle. It's gonna take you through your initial setup. Right now it's asking you to select the language. We're gonna go ahead and select English. And here is your home screen. You can connect to CarPlay, Android Auto. You can go ahead and mirror your phones. Here's your audio output, your playback video, and your settings menu. This is your home button. This is if you want to view your cameras. We have your front camera, your rear camera. You can swipe left to just have the front camera. You can adjust up and down to change the angle. Swipe left again, you have your rear camera. Same thing, you can adjust it up and down to adjust the angle. Go ahead and swipe one more time back to your dual camera. On the right side, you can adjust your brightness and your volume control. I'm gonna show you your settings. We have your general settings. You have auto dimming. Right now it's set to auto dimming, or you can do it manually. You have your screensaver. Right now it's set to off, or you can have your screen turn off after 10 seconds or 30 seconds. You can change your driving position. You have your left-hand driver and your right-hand driver, depending on which country you're in. You have your split screen mode. This is for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Right now set to full screen, so your CarPlay would be in full screen. Or you can have your CarPlay split screen, where CarPlay is on your left and your camera is on the right. And you can clear all your connections. Now we're gonna go to your camera settings. You can adjust the resolution. Right now we're recording at 1080p. We want to record at 4K. You have your segment duration. This is your loop recording. Right now we have your recording set to 1 minute durations. You can set it to 3 minutes or 5 minutes. You can adjust your collision sensitivity. Right now set to medium. This will lock the video once it senses a collision. You can turn on and off your microphone. Your rear mirror image, you can turn that off or on depending if you want it mirrored or not. You have your reverse line calibration. You can set it depending on your parking spot. You can also turn that on or off. You also have your system settings. You can change the language. This is your touch sound. You have that on. This is every time I touch the screen. You can turn that on or off. You can adjust your date and time. We have your storage information. You can format your SD card, do a factory reset, and view your firmware version. This is where you play back your videos. Channel 1 is your front camera, and channel 2 is your rear camera. This is your audio output. You have 4 different ways you can choose your audio output. You can use the speaker within your unit. You can connect to Bluetooth to your vehicle. Just connect your Bluetooth to your vehicle. You can use FM transmitter. Just match this FM station to the station on your vehicle. Or you can use a corded aux cable. Just plug the aux cable from your camera to your aux ports on your vehicle. We're going to go ahead and try and connect to Android Auto. You're going to follow the instructions here on your settings. You're going to go to your Bluetooth and you're going to look for T86 Pro. Go ahead and pair that. Hit pair. Now you're connected to Android Auto. Let's go ahead and check voice control. Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Tonight in Seattle, the forecast is around 38 and cloudy. Right now it's 39 degrees and mostly cloudy.
Now we're gonna go ahead and try and mirror your phone. We'll hit Superlink, confirm. Then you follow your instructions. You're gonna have to download this app. Okay, once you get the app, you're gonna hit add device. Okay, now you see your device. Go ahead and choose it. And then start now. And now you're casting your phone. You can play videos. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and now let's go ahead and try and connect to CarPlay. Hit confirm. Follow your instructions. We're going to open up Bluetooth. Look for T86 Pro. Go ahead and pair that. Hit pair. Allow. Connect. And now you're connected. Now we're gonna go ahead and check voice control. Hey Siri, what's the weather today?
Looks like it will be cloudy today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 47 degrees, with overnight lows around 39.
Now we're gonna go ahead and connect to AirPlay. Hit confirm. After you downloaded the app on your phone, we're gonna hit add. We go to your phone's Wi-Fi. We're gonna look for AirPlay. This right here, we're gonna go ahead and connect to that. Password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and hit join. Okay, once you join, you're gonna go to Smart Screen. Here's your screen mirroring. We go to Smart Screen, and now you're mirroring your phone. In this video, we are going to show you how to install this Smart Mirror Dashcam provided by Kouenom for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.